Here's a KOMOTO M1100 tire, P900 tire. We use this tire on a bunch of our scooters. We put a screw in here to show you what you need to do when you get it. You can see how the Armor Dilloz has already filled up old holes here. That's what those pink spots are. You can see how it fills those spots in. So what you need to do is you have to remove the screw or nail. So we're taking that out. You're gonna hear air leaking. So what you need to do is you actually have to take the hole and place it at the bottom. So then gravity puts the Armor Dilloz into the bottom of this. So then the next step you need to do is hook up a bike pump. Okay, so as you pump it up with air, it's gonna leak air out that hole. And out that hole then, it will reseal that hole back up. So now you can see how the tire right now is still holding air. So what you did is it refilled that in and filled that little hole in right here. So you'll see pink leaking out of it. If you keep getting air leaking out of it, you may need to add more Armor Dilloz. We usually put enough in there for a couple holes. You can add more, and then the Kevlar and rubber chunks will fill that hole in. If the air is slowly leaking out still, the next day you just need to pump air into it and make sure you place the hole at the bottom of the tire with gravity like this. So if the hole's here at the bottom, place it here, so then that way it will actually seal the tire back up. Otherwise, if you have it this way, the goo and gunk and stuff can't fill in the hole. So that's what you want to do, because the Armor Dilloz has Kevlar and rubber in it. But you can see this tire has pressure, and it's good, and it has that hole right there and these other holes. So that stuff will seal it right back up. So you just have to put the air in it and fill it back up if it's low again the next day or a couple hours later. But eventually it will seal and get hard once the oxygen and air touches the Armor Dilloz through the hole, and then you will be good. But you can even see here, look, there's a hole right in the tire right there. But look, we have tire pressure. So that's what you need to do.